This is chapter number 5, Application of Computer Science, and I will cover short response question from this topic. Question number 1, what is AI, that is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence means AI is a branch of computer science. It enables computers to perform tasks that are normally require human intelligence, such as learning and decision making. AI systems use algorithms and data to analyze information and solve problems. Question number 2, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn from data and improve performance automatically. It helps machines make predictions and decisions without being fully programmed each time. Question number 3, what is the goal of artificial intelligence? The goal of AI is to create intelligent machines. These machines can think, learn, and solve problems like humans. AI aims to improve automation, accuracy, and efficiency in many tasks. What are intelligent systems? Intelligent systems are computer systems that use AI. They can analyze information and make decisions automatically. Such systems help in solving real-world problems efficiently. What is natural language processing? Natural language processing enables computers to understand human language. It allows computers to process speech and text data. NLP is used in chatbot, translators, and voice assistants. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a field of AI. It enables computers in interpret and analyze images and videos. It is used in face recognitions, medical imaging, and security systems. What is robotics in AI? Robotics combines artificial intelligence with machines. Robots can perform tasks automatically with minimal human control. AI-based robots are used in factories, hospitals, and space research. What is an expert system? An expert system is an AI program. It imitates the decision-making ability of human experts. It is used to provide advice, diagnosis, and problem-solving support. What is speech recognition? Speech recognition allows computers to recognize spoken words. It converts human speech into digital text. It is used in voice assistant, dictation software, and call systems. What are areas of artificial intelligence? Major areas include machine learning, robotics, NLP, and computer vision. These areas help computers to perform complex intelligent tasks. Each area is designed to solve different types of real-world problems. What is data used for in machine learning? Machine learning systems require large amounts of data. Data helps algorithms identify patterns and improve predictions. Better quality data usually produces more accurate results. What is an AI algorithm? An AI algorithm is a set of instructions used in AI systems. It enables computers to analyze data and make decisions. Different algorithms are used for classification, prediction, and learning tasks. What is automation? Automation means performing tasks automatically using machines. It reduces human efforts and increases efficiency. Automation also helps improve speed, accuracy, and productivity. What is the difference between AI and machine learning? Artificial intelligence is the broader concept of making machines intelligent. Machine learning is the part of AI that allows systems to learn from data. Therefore, all machine learning is AI, but not all AI is machine learning. What is a recommendation system? A recommendation system suggests products or contents to users. It works by analyzing user preferences and behavior. It is commonly used in online shopping, YouTube, and streaming platforms. What is AI in security? AI helps detect cyber threats and suspicious activities. It improves digital security and protection. AI can also help in fraud detection and network monitoring. What is the cloud computing model? Cloud computing uses a network of remote servers. These servers store and process data through the internet. Users can access services from anywhere without relying only on local devices. What is the role of AI in problem solving? AI helps computers analyze data and situations. It can suggest solutions and decisions based on available information. This makes AI useful for solving complex and real world problems. What is data analysis in AI? AI systems analyze large data sets. This helps identify patterns, trends, and predictions. Data analysis supports better planning and informed decisions. Why is artificial intelligence important? AI helps develop smart technologies and automated systems. It improves efficiency, productivity, and innovation. AI is important because it is widely used in modern industries and daily life. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the technology that provides computing services over the internet. It allows users to access data, storage, and application online without using local hardware. It provides flexibility and remote access to computing resources. What are cloud services? Cloud services provide computing resources and applications through the internet. Examples include online storage, databases, and software applications. These services help users save cost and access resources easily. What is cloud storage? Cloud storage stores data on remote servers. Users can access their data through the internet. It also helps in backup, sharing, and synchronization of files. Give example of cloud storage services. Google Drive is a popular cloud storage service. Dropbox is used to store and share files online. OneDrive is another cloud service used for online storage and backup. What are advantages of cloud computing? It provides easy access to data and applications from anywhere using the internet. It reduces hardware and maintenance costs for organizations. It offers scalable storage and computing resources according to user needs. What is cloud backup? Cloud backup store copies of data online. It protects data from loss or damage. It helps users recover important files when needed. What is AI in healthcare? Artificial intelligence helps doctors analyze medical data and patient records. It assists in disease diagnosis and medical decision making. AI also improves treatment planning and patient care. What is AI in education? AI helps create smart learning systems. It supports personalized education. It can also help in automatic grading and student progress tracking. What is AI in transportation? AI is used in self-driving vehicles. It improves traffic management. It also increases road safety and route optimization. What is AI in business? Artificial intelligence helps businesses analyze large amount of data. It improves business decision making and customer services. It also supports sales forecastings and market analysis. What is AI in banking? AI helps detect fraudulent transactions. It improves customer service. AI is also used for risk analysis and secure online banking. What is AI in gaming? AI controls the behavior of non-player characters (NPCs) in games. It creates interactive and intelligent gaming environments. AI makes games more challenging, realistic, and enjoyable. What is AI in smart assistants? Smart assistants use AI artificial intelligence. Examples include Siri and Google Assistant. They can answer questions, set reminders, and perform voice commands. What is the future of AI? Artificial intelligence will improve automation and intelligent systems. It will transform any industries such as healthcare, education, and transportation. In the future, AI will play an even greater role in daily life and advanced technologies. What are the challenges of AI? AI raises ethical concerns about privacy and security. There is a risk of job displacement in some fields. AI systems also require careful monitoring and responsible use. What is the role of AI in everyday life? AI is used in many daily life technologies such as smartphones and online services. It helps users through voice assistants, recommendations, and smart devices. This shows that AI has become an important part of modern daily life. What is cloud collaboration? Cloud collaboration allows multiple users to work together on shared files through the internet. It enables real-time communication and document sharing. This improves teamwork, productivity, and remote working. What is SaaS in cloud computing? Software as a service, that is called SaaS, delivers software application through the internet. Users can access software without installing it on their local computers. SaaS saves time, storage space, and maintenance efforts. What is the importance of cloud computing? Cloud computing provides scalable computing resources and online storage. It enables flexible access to applications and services through the internet. It supports modern business operation and digital connectivity. How do AI and cloud computing work together? AI systems often use cloud computing to store and process large amounts of data. Cloud platforms provide the resources needed to run AI applications efficiently. Together, they support smart services, automation, and digital innovation. Chapter number 5, short response question, has been completed. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment.